Bullish Polkadot cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $23.90 and $45.15 by 2030. Market investigators accept DAB could reach $18.59 by 2025. Bearish Polkadot market cost expectation for 2023 is $4.25. Polkadot presentation. A convention called Polkadot interfaces blockchains, empowering the exchange of riches and information between beforehand and congruent organizations like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Being adaptable and quick is additionally planned. The spot digital currency can be sold or bought on Coinbase and other trade stages and is utilized for marking and administration. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into Polkadot, the 8 underneath could assist you with settling on your choice. What is Polkadot? In the same way as other post-Bitcoin digital currencies, Polkadot is a decentralized convention and a symbolic that can be exchanged or bought on trades like Coinbase. The Polkadot conventions are made to safely associate detached blockchains so information or worth can move between, for example, the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains without requiring a delegate, utilizing various equal blockchains, frequently known as parachains, which are utilized to offload the handling interest from the essential blockchain. It is additionally expected to be speedy and adaptable. Inside the Polkadot organization, the Polkadot tokens have 2 principal utilizes. Right off the bat, administration tokens give proprietors a say in the convention's heading. Besides, it is likewise used to stake, through which the Polkadot network checks exchanges and creates another spec. On trades like Coinbase, you can trade DAB under your money growth strategy. Exchanging a slipping triangle is a common exchange arrangement. A breakout, which generally happens to the negative, ought to be expected in such a situation. For DAB, when the cost dips under the basic $15 mark, it can flag a downtrend. Slipping. A triangle design is the means by which the cost is at present exchanging. A breakout commonly occurs toward the latest thing. Most dealers will enter an exchange once the triangle's primary concern is broken with more volume. So, all in all, the cost ought to fall by a sum comparing to the triangle's broadest piece. Polkadot is as of now worth $5.31 USD. SPEC has moved 0.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $128,615,246. Polkadot is as of now positioned 11 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $6,302,243,887 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Polkadot to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Polkadot market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Polkadot Value Forecast 2023. Polkadot, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The DAB cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $7.97. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $7.44 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. SPEC is supposed to have a base worth of $6.37. Polkadot Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Polkadot DAB cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of spot will before long outperform $13.28. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the spot's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SPEC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $10.62 and a typical exchanging cost of $11.69. Polkadot Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $18.59 and spot might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SPEC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $17 and a low of $15.93 in 2025. Polkadot Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Polkadot effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the spot coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEC will be green in 2026. The SPEC is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $23.90, with a base cost of $21.25 and a typical cost of $22.31. Polkadot Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the spot cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $27.62 by 2027, with a base cost of $26.56 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, DAB has a most extreme value worth of $29.21. Polkadot Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $32.93. In the event that SPEC figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $34.52. Neglecting to assemble the help DAB needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $31.87. Polkadot Value Expectation 2029. While DAB is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $37.18 and a yearly cost close above $39.84 in 2029. Polkadot Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Polkadot will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $42.49 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $45.15, averaging out at $43.55. Polkadot Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest spec cost in 2031 is projected to be $52.05 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $49.93. And Polkadot is intended to be the web of blockchain, permitting various chains to work on a similar organization and helping with settling current versatility and interoperability issues to work with the utilization of digital currency. Polkadot will help with the development of chains turning out to be more particular, bringing about the making of a compelling organization, as no ideal blockchain can uphold movements of every kind in the cryptographic money industry. Polkadot's true capacity merits the confidence since specialists in crypto improvement made it. What is the Polkadot cost today? Today, Polkadot is exchanging at $5.31 with a complete market capitalization of $6,302,243,887. Is Polkadot a wise venture? Polkadot ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that DAB is a decent decision of venture. How high could Polkadot at any point go? The typical cost of Polkadot might perhaps reach $7.44 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Polkadot might outperform $34.52. What amount will Polkadot be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising prevalence of digital currency in Polkadot, a drawn-out interest in spot could see the value ascend to $34.52 inside the following 5